Okay guys, back to the layout. Just to let you all know, this is the finish of this layout. Yes, the finish. I've decided to stop before I spend too much more money. I'm going to redo the layout. Now, I've had a few problems with the layout. And I'll explain to you what. Now back to my problems. Now, my problem is coming around the loop and up the grade. Now in the practice runs it worked fine, as you've seen in the other videos, but all of a sudden I struggled to actually make up the mountain. So what I'm going to show you is what it's actually doing. Here it comes. Now these carriages are really light, so there's not much weight on them. And you can see it's struggling. And not just that one. Most of my locos are now struggling. Let's just turn this off. So, I've decided to totally redo the layout. I know it's a lot of work I've done, but I will save about 70% of the layout because I can reuse all the framework, so I won't have to buy any framework. The only thing I might have to redo is this slab. I'm going to put the transfer table back in, but if I can save it I will, but if I don't, I'll just redo it. The mountains, I don't know, may be able to save some of it. I'll see when I pull it apart. Now it's not only just this, it's been months I've been thinking about doing it, but I've just been carrying on doing it. Is obviously my space, as you can all see. I don't have that much space, not so much in the trains, it's the space I have to work in here, which you can see from that cabinet there. That's my biggest space. So that was my problem. I wanted more train room than empty room. So the next layout you'll see, well, this will be all pulled down and started again. But it won't be a dog bone like it is now. So I'm going to go the conventional way. And while I'm here, I will plaster the walls. As you can see, I now have got an ant problem. You can see that, but anyway. So I'm going to plaster the walls for the heat. So I'm going to pull it down, I'll plaster it, start the new layout, and I'll show you then. So yes, I know I've put a lot of work in, everyone's going to go mad, but hopefully it's all for the better. Just want to thank everyone for being watching the progress. Just show you the layout for the one last time. I'm going to do another trellis bridge, but this time without the tops. So that's it. I'm expecting this is going to put me back a good 3 months, but hopefully not that long. So thanks for all your support, guys. I appreciate it. And hopefully the next layout will be better. Not saying this is no good. To me it was really turning out good. But nothing like having problems. Just that is my biggest problem. And anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.